Alright, here we go. What's up, guys? It's me. Today we're playing Don't Press the Button! So, what? Welcome back to Press the Button. Now at the store. Right, so now Canon. Okay, so. Hey! Those are my coins! Yep. What the heck does she have? What is that? Someone just reset their character. I don't know why. Unfortunately, there's nothing to do but press the button. But they said don't press the button. But we need to press it. Or else something bad or something good will happen. For us. Or decisions. I'm not sure which why, and whatever. What's this? Ew! 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 Skittles. Why the heck are you laughing? Oh, because you dropped the poop thing? Where did you get that? There's nothing at the... Oh, I think she buy that from... I love press the button. Oh my god. By Fluffy Teddy. It's so fluffy! Alright, press the button. Oh my god. How much long is it gonna keep going? What are we eating? Ooh, some Halloween candy. Yummy. Oh god, don't go there, I think I have to rejoin. I'll rejoin. Let's go. Oh.
I love spending time with you.
Yeah,
I need a hug.
You got a hug! Hold this guy. Hold this guy. Tell this guy.
Yummy.
You die.
Yummy.
No, I missed him.
Yummy.
Whoa.
Yummy.
Whoa. What the? Meet the news.
That's a lot of damage.
Wait, I got an badge of word. Got a badge. Oh. Where the heck am I? Wait, can't see myself. What the heck? Oh! Give me that present, man! Give me that present! I need that present! I need that present! Give me that present! No! Yes, a present for me. Right, let's go. Alright, press the button.
Hey, Vsauce.
Oh. Oh my god. Whoa. Time's up. Yes, I won! Let's go! Let's go, I won! Okay, let's go, I won, and push the button. Oh. Whoa, it's in lights! What is that? What the heck was... Okay, someone find Dia found the button. Congrats to her. Okay. What the? Everyone's getting smaller. The bird is even getting smaller. He's fake. That tubers is fake. I swear, he's so fake. Are you sure are we good at hobbies? Oh god. Ah! Jeez! Ha 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 ha.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Guys, stop! Ah! Jeez! Wow, that's... So close. Oh my god, he was so close. Get ready for a... Is that infinity? Good. Amazing score. Thank you. Got it. God. Take that, stupid. God, I'm sorry. I'm real good at these games. Oh, poor them. Poor her. Oh God. This is going to be mega hard because bye, I'm leaving. Whoa! Dude, I couldn't move when I hold the hair dryer because I'm in phone. If I would be in PC, that would be amazing though. Because unfortunately, there was Hey, come here. Come here. I can still see the invisible people because of the name. Help! Hurry, press the button, press. Oh, sorry, I spelled it wrong. Maybe double S for that. Oh! Hey, don't you do that? Yes, blue team won because all of me, I'm good at these games. I swear. Ooh. So for this, you need the first. Oh. I got the treasure. Let's go. Whoa.
Yummy. 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 Yummy.
Oh, hi there, guys. Oh my God. Oh.
Yummy.
You get.
Yummy.
What the? Ah! Thumbs up. Let's go. All because of me. I'm the expert at these games. Oh god. I'm not expert at this game. I told you. You guys know I'm not good at parkours. I mean a little. How's that guy surviving? Never mind. Bruh. Yeah, I was about to say bruh, but you said it first. What? Bro, what lag? Yeah, lag sucks. Right. Oh. You are kind of right. Oh, God! Whoa! Oh, my God. I should have gone to the side. But Mom disturbed me! Oh, my God. Dude, why do we have 97 seconds? Red team won and got 10 coins. They got revenge. They got a revenge. That's a Oh my god.
That's a lot of damage.
That's a lot of damage. What? Oh my god. I am lagging. I'm lagging. Dude, I'm lagging. I swear I'm lagging so much that my phone is lagging. What the? I hate this one. What are 6 to some? Oh wow, you camera jump. Dude, how? How? Because I couldn't. What the? Get up! Dude, it's really hard. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What the? Be careful, be careful. Look up, look up. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop here. Hey, yo, Doge. Wow! Wee! 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 Oh wait, what the heck? Just stand on the Doge. God, get ready. Oh my god. Okay. Ah! Dude, stop! I can't just move! I can't just move like that because when I'm holding the... What the heck? Why? Dude, when I hold the hairdryer, then I can't move. That's so weird, I swear. Whoa, 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 what? Bro, why do you saying bro every time when you... What did I did? It's lagging. Yeah, bro. No, that. Bro, this game is lagging. This game is lagging. Okay, do what are not colored. Do the are not colored. Do the blue team run, let's go! Dude, I'm so good at this, I swear. Come on. Whoa, speedrun. From, oh god. Dude, the oof animation looks so cool, I swear. Ah! Don't wiggle. For select the wiggle. For sure. Dude, what the heck is wrong with my joystick? So. Wait. Ba ba bee ba ba bee ba ba bee ba ba ba. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please like, go, and subscribe to the channel. So, and bye.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.